Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to change the content maturity level in the Roblox app on your Android phone. This is important for controlling what kind of content you can access while playing. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, tap on the More icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, find and tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now click on Content Maturity. Finally, adjust the maturity level by dragging the slider from Minimal to Restricted, depending on your preference. That's it. You have successfully changed the content maturity level in Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.